to make money on TikTok. Get ready to unleash your potential on the hottest social media platform of the moment, TikTok. It's no secret that TikTok has taken the world by storm and has become a hub for content creators and brands alike with its unique algorithm. TikTok has managed to maintain an incredible organic reach that is unmatched by any other social media platform out there. But the real question is, how can you capitalize on this and start making some serious cash? Well, you're in luck because we have 6 tips in this video that will help you monetize your TikTok account in no time. So get ready to turn your passion into profit on TikTok. By the way, Rolado is an online marketplace that connects freelancers selling their services with clients looking to hire someone for a project. You definitely can make money on Rolado as a freelancer. Since our platform acts as an online marketplace for freelancers and businesses to connect with each other, there are plenty of opportunities available where you can earn a decent income by providing your services. And if you're a buyer, it's very easy to find the right person for the job, no matter what the job is. Rolado's homepage automatically recommends several freelancers and services on offer, but you can also search for exactly what you're looking for. Go to www.rolado.com to get started. Now back to the video. Number one, TikTok Creator Fund. Some time ago, TikTok announced the launch of a special fund to reward creators on the platform. They started with an allocation of $200 million, but due to the initiative good reception, they expanded it to $1 billion for the United States over the next 3 years and more than double that amount for the rest of the world. This initiative enables creators to earn money directly from TikTok as a result of the social network aims to avoid the same fate as Vine, which shut down when its creators left due to lack of monetization model. 2. TikTok Shopping. In late October 2020, TikTok announced a global partnership with online shopping platform Shopify. The agreement allows Shopify users to use TikTok to promote their products. Conversely, TikTok content creators can create a store with their own products on Shopify and promote them through the social network. Shopify users can create, execute, and optimize marketing campaigns on TikTok directly from the Shopify dashboard by installing the TikTok channel in the Shopify App Store. With these tools, merchants can create native shareable video content. It is also possible to measure conversion coming from TikTok via a specific pixel. 3. Direct links. Similar to Instagram famous link in bio, the link in a TikTok user's profile allows creators to leverage visits to their content to generate traffic to a website. To use this function, simply click on the edit profile button and at the website just below the bio. This opens up to 2 possibilities for creators to earn money with TikTok. The first link is to link to a brand's website. Influencers can more easily get sponsorship deals with brands now that they have a very easy way to measure the success of campaigns in terms of traffic to the advertiser site. And the second is to link to their own product and services. If the creator has an online store where they promote their own product and services or an affiliate website where they promote third-party products in exchange for a commission, the link in the bio allows them to take advantage of the traffic coming from TikTok to monetize it. 4. TikTok ads. TikTok advertising has multiple formats for advertisers. So let's take a look at some of the options. Top view, this ad appear at the top of the For You feed when first opening TikTok. There are full screen videos of up to 60 seconds, so they block out any other content in feed videos integrated into the For You feed, which are displayed as if the advertiser were a TikTok creator. Brand take over a large format, static or dynamic ad that appears when users open the post. This ad type essentially takes over the user screen for a few seconds, providing high visibility for the brand being advertised. This option is limited to 1 advertisement per day. Hashtag challenge. A brand presents a video with a challenge for and encourages users to try it and upload the results to their profile along with the corresponding hashtag. Branded effects, a filter customized by the brand with more than 20 different formats so that people can use it and interact with the brand through their videos. This option is similar to branded lenses or customized augmented reality filters. Although TikTok's advertising revenue does not go directly to content creators, they can use it to promote their own products and services or their presence on the platform. 5. TikTok Creator Marketplace. This is the official platform for brands and creators to collaborate on TikTok and reach agreements with each other. For creators, TikTok Creator Marketplace provides an easier way to monetize their content on the network. For advertisers, it's a free way to find the perfect influencer to promote their brand. And for both parties, the platform offers data, tools, direct access, and communication at no additional cost. Advertisers can filter creators based on different criteria, such as the topics they talk about, their reach, the demographics of the followers, average performance, or even interaction rate. Once the advertiser has selected the influencer, they can send them a message directly through the creator marketplace. As with any other sponsorship, the key to marketing with influencers on TikTok is to look for a natural fit between the brand and the influencer. In recent years, we've been seeing a lot of brands shy away from sponsorship with mega influencers who tend to charge a very high price for collaboration and instead opt for micro influencer with niche audiences. 6. Coins and gifts. TikTok has a feature called Go Live, which allows creators with over 1,000 followers to stream live content. These features enables influencers to interact directly with their audience and monetize their TikTok presence. During a live broadcast, followers can show their appreciation by giving virtual coins, emojis, and diamonds as gifts. Users can purchase these coins on the TikTok, and the cost varies based on the pack size. The coins are then stored in the virtual wallet until they are given to the creators. The prices ranges from £1 to £100. One influencer has accumulated enough coins. They can exchange them for real money with a daily maximum limit of $1,000 per day. Moreover, there are also video gifts, a similar system that allows users to financially reward any type of video. This provides another option for encouraging community participation. These are the 6 ways to earn money on TikTok, but if you can think of any others, share them in the comments below. Go ahead and watch this video about TikTok ads or this other video about earning money on Real business.